Today we are going to learn interface. It's a contract with the class. Interface can contain declarations of like methods, properties, indexers, and events. Today we will be implementing methods on the interface. And one thing to tell you is that every member present in the interface are by default public. So you cannot put it as a private or protected, etc. This is how we are going to make a program. We'll have interface named iAccount. We'll have the class that will inherit iAccount interface, and iAccount interface and the account class will be instantiated in the we cannot instantiate iAccount, that is interface, but we can instantiate, create an object of account class in the program class. Right, so we're going to start with this. Let's open up Visual Studio. Here we have Visual Studio. You can create a new project on this. I have selected console application, that is over here for .NET Framework. Click next. Put name of the project. So let's say I'm putting console app. Give a path and hit create. So it will take some time, and then we'll have full-fledged project created. Right, so this is our project which is created, which has a default program like class like named program. It has a main method. So we'll consume the methods of the class over here in main method. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll create an interface first, as we discussed earlier. So adding new item, so select interface and name the interface iCount. Click add. What we will have over here, methods. So what we will do, we will use three of the methods over here. Using one of the method, that will be a get balance method. That means the user can check the balance. Another method will be uh, to deposit funds, and the final method will be to withdraw the funds. So let's say we are creating a method named get balance. So it will be a return type decimal get balance, All right. The another will be pay in funds. So we need to have the void return type on this because user will only pay the funds over here. So user doesn't want anything in return. So pay in funds. And it will be like decimal amount. And we will have next is customer want to withdraw the funds, and that will be like withdraw funds, and it will have a return type of say bool. It will check the balance and it will provide uh, the withdrawal amount also. So it will, so customer need this amount as a decimal amount. All right, so we have now get balance to check the balance, pay in funds to deposit the amount, withdrawal funds to get the funds out of the account. Okay, let's build it. What we'll do is we will, okay, let's as it is getting built. So see if it is already built. So we'll add another class name. It will be account class. Hit enter. We will implement I count using the IntelliSense. You can see we will implement it and see the magic. Implement interface. So all right, so we've got all the methods: get balance, pay in funds, withdrawal funds. Okay, so we are ready to go with this. So here what we'll do, return, and before this return something, what we will do is we will also have a private mm, underscore balance initialized with 0. So return balance, this is just to check the balance. Pay in funds means customer will deposit fund, so that will be like balance plus equals amount, right? And Now customer withdrawal. We withdraw the funds. So what we'll do, we will check the balance first. So if balance is greater than the amount, we will check it. So we will minus it. So balance minus equals amount. All right, and return type is we have, that is true. Else what will return? Return false. So this is the account class which is inheriting interface iAccount and the methods that we have implemented over here. Now we will consume it somewhere and we will consume it in a program. So in this, what we will do is we will implement over here, and what we can do, we can instantiate now. So account of this account A equals new account. Now you see the intelligence will give us something like this. See, get balance, pay in funds, withdrawal funds. So let's say first of all we have a zero balance here. So what we'll do is pay in funds. On pay in funds amount will be, let's say, 100 bucks, and we will withdraw now. Withdraw, let's say 50 bucks, and now we will check the balance, right? So in this way, what we will have is we can check the balance on this. All right. Let us build. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there is one more thing we would need. We were paying, depositing funds. We are getting funds over here. So in this, what we can also do is we will print. What we can do is now is console.writeLine. What we will do is this, so that we can see in the console. Let's start going to the result now. So here build succeeded. Let us see what's coming up. right? So here you can see we deposited 100, we withdraw 50, and 50 is in the account. All right. So one last time, what we did in general is, first of all, what we did, we created this interface, iAccount, and three of the methods, and we implemented it account class. See, and finally we consumed it in program class. That's it, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you.